Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist, navigation system, keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.